This is not from cleaning engine. It came out from air conditioning of this car. So if you have odor in your car, keep on watching this video, because you're not gonna believe how bad smoking is for you and for your car. Hello, it's AliMECH. So in the previous video I showed how I detailed the interior of this car, cleaned the floor with V-Wars wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and also cleaned the seat, the doors, but I still have odor in this car. So after I looked at the air conditioning vents, I thought it was just a dust, but when I took the cabin filter out and used my endoscope camera to look at the evaporator, that's how it looks, and it's very bad. Even they used a lot of perfume in this car, so the mix of these two is very bad for someone who's sensitive with bad perfume and smoking. For cleaning this evaporator, we're gonna need different size of brushes. I have this set here and only this one will be useful, which is the plastic one. This is the metal one and this is the brass one. We're not gonna use these two, only the plastic one. Different size of detailing brushes. They will be useful for the corners. And I have this one here. It has a thin handle. It will be useful for cleaning the surface of the evaporator. For cleaning agent, I have this mixture here, which is the shampoo and degreaser. I have good result with it and I'm gonna use it again. Another spray, only water for rinsing and cleaning the evaporator. I have this compressor handle here as well. It will be very useful if you have a compressor. You can apply the cleaner with it and then rinse it with water. But this one will need compressor at home and few microfiber towel to keep the dirt. So getting access to the cabin filter and the evaporator from passenger side. We're just gonna remove this cover and then this white cover for the cabin filter. If you look at the filter, it's not that bad because I pressure washed it temporarily and I didn't want to put new filter on before cleaning everything. So the draining port looks okay, but the evaporator surface and the fins covered with nicotine, and the oil perfume made everything stick to the surface like a magnet. Alright, let's get our cleaning mixture and start spraying on the evaporator. Just make sure to put a towel under the plastic to catch any cleaner drip. Using endoscope camera will be very helpful, especially the one I'm using now, because it has 3 cameras, one in the front and 2 at the sides. Now I'm using the one in the side and it gives me this view. I will make sure to put the link in the video description box below if you want to purchase one. I'm using detailing brush just to spread out the cleaner and not applying any pressure, otherwise it will bend the fins. The cleaner will dissolve the oil and the nicotine. With using this brush will let me spread out the cleaner from close areas because of the brush angle. Now we're gonna let the cleaner dissolve that dirt and penetrate. 10 to 15 minutes will be very good, and then we're gonna spray some water. Alright, it's been after 10 minutes, let's spray some water. Make sure to do overlap passes so you can cover every spot and rinse that cleaner on the evaporator. You will see the dirt drains under the car as you spraying water. If you don't see it, it means the drain being clogged. I could see more dirt comes out from drain port until I stopped and saw this. It smelled just like the odor it was in the car. So I continued to do the same procedure many times to clean that evaporator from that nicotine. After 5 cleaning cycles, spraying cleaner and rinsing with water, we could bring it to this. We could remove all that dirt, nicotine and oil on that evaporator. This car's air conditioning not only smells better now, but also cooler, because the air will have direct contact with the evaporator. Next, we're gonna put a new cabin filter in and then close all the covers. So if you bought a used car and you have odor in the interior, the air conditioning evaporator will be the first place to check and clean. I collected some of the drained water from the evaporator and this is what I ended up with. I will make sure to put the endoscope camera's link in the video description box below along with the brushes I used in this video. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.